So the question now is, well, okay, what do you do with this? How is this relevant to you? Okay, how do you make better decisions because of this? So you may find yourself, like some clients, saying, maybe I should buy more stocks. No, Brent's talking that they're on sale, blue light specials. Maybe I should buy more. Okay? And on the other hand, there might be some of you out here that are like some other clients that say, all-time high, 5 years of good wind at our back, maybe I should buy more bonds. Take some chips off the table. So what do you think the right answer is? It depends, right? There's not a right or wrong, black or white answer. It really depends on your unique needs and circumstances, preferences, and how you're wired, okay? So how would you think about this? Why should you maybe consider more bonds? Well, everybody's getting older, okay? So generally speaking, if you haven't, changed your allocation in 5 or 7 or 10 years and you're a little older now, maybe, age-inspired, it's time to take your foot off the pedal a notch. Well, maybe, you're going to have a significant near-term expense. Circumstances have changed and you're going to, buy a new house, or you're going to take a giant world trip, or heck, you just, want to go make a charitable contribution a year from now or 6 months from now. Well, if it's an abnormal expense that you've already made a commitment to or mentally decided you want to do, maybe that money shouldn't be in stocks, because if you have one of those major bear markets, it could drop a lot, which means you might not be able to do whatever you want to do. So it could make sense to take some chips off the table, put it off to the side so you can sleep well at night, that you got whatever that substantive expense is covered. Major lifestyle. Maybe, there's a health issue, or maybe there's you plan on retiring and you're going to start needing to tap into this to spend money. Those might be examples of reasons to reduce your risk. And just like I said a minute ago, maybe you said you got enough on top of enough. And, and I said you could go buy more stocks. Well, if you got enough and enough on top of enough, you could also buy less stocks. Because guess what? If you have way more than enough, it's not so important to make a lot. You can make less and still be just fine and sleep better at night in the process. So if you got more than enough, you can either buy sleep in the form of bonds, or you can double down on stocks and still be just fine if they go down in value.